Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about OpenSea here. So it's really hype right now on the NFT, right? We're gonna use a platform of OpenSea in here. So I'm using OpenSea here. We're gonna see on the profile. Basically, we're gonna see profile. I have tried to make with my photo, haha, but I will make a good one, and I will let you know also 1 or 2 weeks. Right, 1 or 2 weeks I will let you know. Next one is we're gonna see here is slightly on the home. There are so many. We are having art, music, domain names, but I think I'm gonna use in here art or we're gonna see one by one for it, right? For the art here, this one you're gonna see on the art. Oh my god, it's really good. Totally, it's good. It's really good. And people buy it, right? Slightly this one. Oh my god, cool. Right? It is so cool. People buy the NFT and trade it again, get a profit for it, right? Next, we're gonna go to the... Okay, next is the music one. Music NFT. Oh, right, good. So, instrumental, Astro Cubes, Mobile Cop. Oh my god, the crypto palm make the other way. Haha, so cute here. We're gonna... So this is the home for it. Okay, you should know this one, the crypto punks, right? Crypto punks. Also, if you want to look on my NFT just with my photo, and I will put in the description below, right? So you can see about my OpenSea, and it's cheap, I guess. So I hate only 0.005 ETH, right? It's good, right? Totally it's good. And then we're gonna see here also expiring soon, the legendary. So when we are having an NFT, is having a time horizon, right? Like this one, when I'm looking here, right? This, we own it, have the 5th edition, sells and in 1 month. I make it in 1 month. The people make it only like one week, right? So basically it's totally you want to make it like long term or short term is up to you. The blockchain, we can use like a Matic as a gas fee free. It's totally free. Or you are using Ethereum. The Ethereum here is having a gas fee, and it's a little bit pricey, right? A little bit pricey for it. So I'm just try it first. Wanna make some of NFT, a good NFT one. Try to make a good art also, and using a Matic because it's totally free. I like it. Right? Okay, we're gonna start here. Also, we have the ranking here and activity. Okay, we're gonna see the highest one. Pentabear. Okay, cute bear. Also, I love the bear. I love the bear here. Cute, so cute. Okay, oh my god. Sales end already. We're gonna find the other one. Ah, cute one. I love it. Create by as a club. Oh my god, cute one here. Oh my god, right? Okay, got it. Oh, and then they are using a blockchain of Ethereum. The price history still didn't go anywhere. And the sales and is like 10-hour $36. Oh, okay, good. It's cute and good. But why people do buy this, right? For trading, for buy and then get some profit on it. Okay, it should be hype. Right? Okay. Oh, I love this crypto palm. I love it. This kid gets so cute, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So because this is hype on the NFT world, then I make this video for you so you can see on the OpenSea without download it, right? Thank you everyone. Bye bye.